Alright, so so today we're gonna be playing Granny Chapter 2. This time we're gonna do the boat escape. I'll probably try to make a video of me beating Granny practice mode. Y'all saw the post. I can't do anything in that game. Holy moly. Every time I record something, everything has to go wrong. Holy moly. Alright, let's go. We're gonna speed run this game. So we're gonna do the boat escape. Alright, this crowbar didn't spawn there. Duct tape, no. Oh yeah, no, that's the helicopter escape. No. Okay, knock over this. It's fine. Where's Slendrina? Alright, come up. Look at that. Anything? Nope. Boat key. Alright, we got one item for the boat. Okay. Here. Helicopter key. We don't need that. Okay. What's this? Security key. Nice. Probably nothing in these drawers because the security keys are here. Yeah. What's this say? There's food in the fridge. Okay. Alright, so now we have the boat key. Let's go down. If Granny and Grandpa were in the house, I would not do the boat escape for obvious reasons. Alright. Let's go in here. Alright, sorry Think Noodles is playing in the background. Okay. Bro, my sister's playing Steel Brainrod. You've got to be kidding me. This game, Granny 2 is way more better than Steel Brainrod. That is... By the way, I hate Steel Brainrod. And Grow Garden. My opinions, do not attack me. But what are they talking about a fridge? Because this is a kitchen, I do not see a fridge. But I do see meat. There's no way. This is not a fridge. Nothing. Padlock key. We don't need... Oh, yeah, we do need that. Hold on. Before we get that, I want to see what's in here. Crowbar? Crowbar? Please tell me the crowbar's in here. And, yep, crowbar is in here. Let's do this. Alright. Here. Before, I want to... Here. Cutting pliers. We do not need that. Let's place this right here so it's easier to remember. Alright, let's grab this, and bring it down to the boat. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. People are gonna be in the comments hating me because I don't like a game that's popular. Padlock. That. Let's go. Let's grab the wrench and try to go to the baby. What's here? Ah. Taser. Nice. I want to try to get the baby from... Let's go get the baby with the taser. Because, yeah. Am I going to hear it? Shut up. Oh, come on. Come out. No, don't start sleeping. Okay, oh well. Come on. I made noise. Come on, bro. There's no way my aim is that Come on. Yes. No! I'm just gonna stay here until the... Can I, like... Okay, let's not shoot there. I need to, like, try to not get in the water. Also... Come on. Come on. Yeah, get out here. Get out here. R.I.P. I don't care, Sandrina. Wait, what's the wrench over here? That's the helicopter key. Be quiet, Sandrina. Oh my god, I have played too much of your games. Be quiet. Quiet. Let's grab the wrench. Oh, that's the meat. Slandrina, be quiet. Yes, voice crack. Get down here. Open this. Oh my god. Where are you? Oh, she already disappeared. Alright, let's see what are. Right now. Guys, I tried to play the ice cream series and I already died because Ron just keeps seeing me all the time. Alright, so here. Safe key. Nice. R.I.P. bro. Okay. Let's go. Here. Gasoline. Perfect. What was that? Oh, that was the security key. We're gonna get to the security room. That's for the helicopter. We're gonna use... I think we... Alright, we have a boat key. Oh, yeah, we need to find out what's in there. Alright, so we have... Alright, so... We've done the padlock key. We've done the gasoline. So what do we need? Gasoline, spark plug, and... So we need spark plug, and that's it. Alright, let's go find the spark plug. Let's hope the spark plug is in there. If it isn't, I'm gonna crash out. Okay, let's do this. Let's go up here. Get the crowbar. Get the crowbar. Alright. Alright, let's go downstairs. 360. 360. Hey. Is that cool? No? Oh, okay. Flying. Dude's flying. Get down there. Oh, it's clipped in there. Wonderful. Please spark plug. Guys, I think we officially beat Granny. Chapter 2, twice. Put this in. Oh yeah, we need. I'm so stupid. We need a boat steering wheel. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Give me. Guys. This is logic. This is Granny logic. I have no feet at all. And then I could clip through this. Wonderful. Bro, I wish iOS got Granny 3 on here. I'm gonna sue iOS if they... No, I'm joking. It's a joke. But I probably will sue iOS if they don't add Granny Chapter 3. Door handle. Okay, wonderful. I think I need the stun gun again. Will it work, though? Will it work? I don't know. That is something. Let's climb up the ladders, because... Let's hope we get a boat steering wheel. Oh, it's a hand wheel. We don't need that. Let's hope it's in where Nosferatu is. A weapon key. Of course it's going to be in here. This is like the only room for the shotgun. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, wait. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's over here. Bro. Guys, should I do escape Granny's house in like the first game? Because last time I did that, so many things went wrong. Get this. Or yes, I have a shotgun. YouTube, this is fake. Which no doubt it is. So let's do some cool trick shots. Trick shots, Sonic. Amazing line from Sonic. Wonderful. Sonic 3 is amazing. Bro, why is Sonic 4 coming out in 2027? Like, no, I'm not waiting that long. Give me it now. 360. Amazing. Alright, now. What? Okay, now what we need is the cutting pliers. Which I completely forgot where they were. Nope. Nothing in here. What's in here? Nothing. Where are the cutting? Wait, I haven't. Okay, I have looked in the microwave. Where are the cutting pliers? I completely forgot where they were. This looks like something. Oh, where is it? Do. Nope. What? That's duct tape. Wrong. Wonderful. Alright. I have completely forgotten where the heck that is. I mean, we're like, the cutting plier. I believe we're in one of these. I'm so excited for the next video because it's going to be in the helicopter. Problem is, my new audience does not know what the heck the hand show is. They have to watch so many cringy episodes, which is probably going to be painful. What's this? Oh my god. How is it? Dude, that is insane. Can't even move a key with my foot. Oh, cutting pliers are in here. Right next to here. Guys, I am so happy I wasted that much time. Which you can obviously tell I'm not. Anyways, let's go in here. Guys. Where is it? Is that a new update? Where the heck is that? Bro. Alright, Nosferatu. Pop out! Thank you! We have officially escaped. Now, let's go down, all the way back down into the basement. Which is going to be a big waste of time. But not really, because now we got the boat key. I mean, the boat. But, let's go! Alright, Granny and Grandpa, I'm sorry. Stupid spider monster. Oh, start engine. I can't. Alright, boat key, gasoline. Okay, there's the spark plug. Oh, yeah, the... Alright, a Cox is playing. Wonderful. Alright. Oh my goodness! Hey guys, we are heading out! Woo! Bye bye! Oh, hi! Woo-hoo! That was an adventure! Make sure you like and subscribe. If this video gets to 15 likes, I will do Granny Chapter 2 Hot Helicopter Escape. And if this video gets 20 likes, I will play Granny, the first Granny Chapter 1. See you next time!